My name is Annabella, and I am going to show you how I cleaned and lined these two individual paintings in one large canvas for time consuming and also for showing you more clear how the process is done. Working with the lighter colors in a painting and being very careful on the testing, following it up with a cleaner is very, very important, but at the same time, you need to also let it cure for a full day before you go back into the same area. A different look, testing a darker area of the painting, using the same mild cleaner and watching my swab from any paint coming out or being removed. This cleaner is very safe and is also very mild for the painting. It's important to keep photographs of all the work and the testing done on each one of the paintings. This is another painting that is also going to be cleaned with the same mild cleaners. Now this particular one also had a coat of varnish underneath the dirt that needed to be removed. With patience and allowing dry time, this painting came out beautifully. That's the before and after with different lights from the sky. That's how I usually test and photograph my work. Now I'm working on the darker areas, and these are very tricky because darker colors at times will bleed faster in your swab over a lighter color. I'm getting ready for the lining of one of the paintings. I have set up one of my paintings on one side of my stretcher with a new Belgium linen. After calibrating my compound and my flat iron, I have been able to add the compound on the back of the painting. What the compound does is actually becomes the glue to the paint in the front of the canvas that is flaking or is going through a crackling process from poor storage, too much humidity, or too much dryness. By adding a nonstick film for restoration, I was able to put a little bit of weight to give it a smooth look in the front. I added 2 pieces of masonite and a couple of bricks just for additional weight. This is the end product. It's now ready to get on a stretcher. And now I am looking at the second painting. I'm lining the second painting so that I can actually stretch both pieces. The calibration of the heat in the compound is very, very important for the adhesion to take place. Too much heat will separate the product and the mixed compound and will not do a good job. So you can overheat the compound and you can't just dump it in there too cold. With patience and without too much force, The compound will penetrate through the new lining to the old lining. Turning off the iron, you will be able to finish up the ironing step. This requires patience. Sometimes you have to go a few times or add compounds to remove the bubbles of air. Once again, I'm going to put this film to give it a nice, tight, and flattened look, so they both look the same at the end. A little bit of weight, keeping them that way for about 2 hours after the compound has been added is really important. Once the paintings have been lined, now it's time to choose a frame. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.